Begin by dividing brackets into 3 respective groups to each door. Install rear door brackets first. Begin by removing the 2-star T40 retaining bolts on the left rear door striker plate. Pull weather stripping off. Slide bracket over door edge. Slide striker plate under bracket. Discard original bolts and install 2 half-inch flange bolts provided. After tightening bolts, mark weather stripping retaining casing at top and bottom of bracket. Using sharp side cutting pliers, cut and discard retaining casing along indentation seam and ceiling gasket. Reinstall weather stripping on door edge. Pull weather stripping tight so gasket doesn't pinch between brackets. On right rear door, remove 2 T27 star bolts holding door latch. Please note the third bolt is not removed. Install bracket and hand tighten screws. Close left rear door slowly. Then close right rear door, making sure brackets and weather stripping clear properly. Adjust right side bracket to match left side. Slowly open right side door and tighten 2 retaining bolts. If brackets are not tight and have a small gap between, use a pair of pliers and slightly bend them closer by grabbing entire center section of bracket close to vehicle. Make sure not to overbend. Shut door and install puck lock to check alignment. Always install slick lock spinners on all puck locks. Begin sliding door installation by inserting locking brackets in the body cavity above driver and passenger front doors respectively. Hold locking bracket with 2 bolt holes on bottom facing you horizontally. Slide bracket top through center of door track into body cavity. Spin clockwise to lock in place on passenger side and counterclockwise on driver side. Now bolt on the bracket using 6mm black Allen head bolts. Side brackets clamp in a body panel in a vertical position. Only hand tighten bolts so brackets can be aligned. Now install sliding door brackets on passenger side and on driver side sliding door. Brackets are installed on top sliding door. Make sure to hold the door. Find the 2 T40 star bolts on the back side of the bracket. Remove bottom bolt and loosen top bolt 5 to 8 turns. Do not remove top bolt completely, it is supporting door during installation. Slide in one of the side door shims under loosened bolt. Shim is slotted at top for easy insertion. Next, slide in bracket over shim and under loosened bolt. While supporting door up with your free hand, reinstall second bolt and tighten bolts down. Remember to support door up and keep bracket tight against side of door while you torque bolts down. Slowly close sliding door and check bracket alignment. Adjust right side bracket to match left side. Now tighten the bolts, but please be sure not to over tighten them. If bracket on sliding door needs to move in or out, add or remove shims as necessary to achieve a flush edge of both brackets. Use the same installation process on driver sliding door. If any additional alignment is needed, you can use a flat or round file to even out bracket length or slightly open up slot and brackets. Install puck locks to check for fit. Always install slick lock spinners in all puck locks.